Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve X previous name Twitter cannot call this account problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, scroll down, click on app, click on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Twitter. Update app if available on Play Store. Now open on app. Call problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.